Empowering your English, synonyms and antonyms in speech. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of synonyms and antonyms. We'll specifically explore how you can use them to rephrase your sentences and enhance your communication skills. So, let's begin. In the simplest terms, synonyms are words that have similar meanings, like happy and joyful. On the other hand, antonyms are words with opposite meanings, like happy and sad. Both these types of words can become powerful tools to make your English richer and more varied. Using synonyms and antonyms in speech not only demonstrates your mastery over the language but also helps to avoid repetition, add flavor to your conversation, and make your points more precise. It is an essential skill for proficient English speaking. Let's delve into the usage of synonyms. Suppose you say, "I'm very happy today." You can rephrase this using a synonym for happy, like joyful. So, your sentence becomes, "I'm very joyful today." Simple, right? But it makes a big difference. Now let's consider antonyms. Using antonyms requires a bit of sentence restructuring. For instance, if we start with the sentence, "I dislike cold weather," we can use the antonym of dislike, which is like, and the antonym of cold, which is warm. The rephrased sentence would be, "I like warm weather." Both synonyms and antonyms provide richness and variation to your speech. They also allow you to express ideas with greater accuracy and subtlety, making your communication clearer and more effective. Moreover, they demonstrate your linguistic prowess, which can boost your confidence in speaking English. Before we conclude, here's a quick exercise. Try to rephrase these sentences using synonyms or antonyms. 1. I feel really tired. 2. She doesn't like broccoli. 3. We were surprised by the results. Post your answers in the comments. We'll review and discuss them in our next video. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video on using synonyms and antonyms to rephrase sentences will help you speak English with more flair and precision. Keep practicing and continue expanding your vocabulary. Remember, the more words you know, the better you can express yourself. See you in our next video. Happy learning!